Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to download your own YouTube videos without going through a third party. So for that, all you have to do, go to the right upper corner and click on your picture. In here, select YouTube Studio. When you get inside YouTube Studio, all you have to do, go to the option called videos, and in here select any particular video that you want to download. For example, if I want to download a video called Access Dark Web, and in here I'm gonna click this option called More Actions. Click on More Actions and you can see an option called Download. Directly click on it, and this way you will be redirected to YouTube Studio, and in here you're gonna click the Allow button, and as you click on Allow button, your video is started to download. You can see it right up here that my video is being downloaded, and that is the way how you can download your YouTube videos without getting any third party. And I hope this video helped you. If you think this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please help us in comments and tell us what we can create for you. That way we'll be able to create more. And keep visiting Tigers Schooling.